Your cat is manipulating you, using a language it invented just to control you. In the wild, adult cats almost never meow at each other. The meow isn't communication, it's an evolutionary con. Thousands of years ago, when cats domesticated themselves, they discovered something powerful. Humans react instantly to vocal cues, so they refined a sound perfectly tuned to hack the human brain. Studies show a cat's meow often mimics the cry of a human baby, a frequency your brain is biologically programmed to never ignore. So when your cat meows for food, attention, or affection, it's triggering the same neural circuits that make you comfort a crying infant. You think it's love, but it's actually strategic sound design. This isn't a conversation, it's psychological sound engineering. Your cat has mastered manipulation using nothing but frequency, timing, and your own biology.